How to make Waze talk on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Waze application on your phone. Waze is a community-driven navigation app that provides real-time traffic and turn-by-turn directions by using crowdsourced data from its users. Once you're here, go to the top left corner and tap on the 3 horizontal bars. Then, go to Settings. Here, go to Voice and Sound. On this page, go to the Voice Directions section and tap on Waze Voice. You can view all the available Waze voices over here. Scroll down to try them out and then choose the one you like. After that, go back to the previous page and select on Only Beside Sounds. Following these steps, you can easily make Waze talk on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.